What does everyone want in their mudroom, Susan?
They want everything. They
Right.
want everything. So we're going to talk about some things you can put into your mudroom as you're planning your space. Obviously, you want to fit as much as you can because the whole point of the mudroom is to put all of the things that you don't want to look at and get out of the way into that space.
Yeah, it's like an open junk closet.
One thing that we find a lot of our clients want is a place to charge things.
We're doing a lot of different things right now, so we need plugs everywhere.
Right. So you don't want to have all of your electronics on your kitchen counter and everywhere all over the house. So it's nice if you have a little dedicated spot with a charging station. You can plug everything in, and what's also nice is the plugs with the USBs built in, because that way you can charge more things.
Multiple charging ports, right?
Right. Another thing people like to find a spot for in the mudroom is a vacuum. You don't want to look at the vacuum,
No.
but it needs to be close by because when you need it, you need to find it quickly. So if you have room in the mudroom, a lot of times we'll add a little space where we put a plug, and whether you have the ones that go on the floor or the ones that a lot of stick vacuums need to be charged. So thinking about what you have, what you use, and if you can find a spot to put that away.
A lot of the times in mudrooms, we try to utilize every square inch, so that includes even above your head where the cubbies get built in. But the question is, how much space do you usually need, Susan?
So most cubbies and most sections that we're gonna do an individual hook and cubby, you want around 16 to 20 inches per section. If you have an extra wall in your mudroom, you can always use that wall to add more hooks. Even if you have a little space where maybe you have a wall in the foyer, but you don't have enough room for a bench, it's a nice spot to just add some hooks to the wall and get you some more storage.
Most people have more than one pair of shoes, sneakers, sandals, etc. So what do you do with all of them?
Having open cubbies underneath the bench is a nice place to have them tucked away. Or if you do have room for a separate shoe storage, you could use that space under the bench for drawers where you could do mittens, scarves, pet stuff, whatever else you have. The next thing is Paul's favorite, heated floor.
It's a hot take, let's be honest. I mean, if the floor's heated and you come in from the winter and you get snow or rain or boots, everything's dirty, yucky, wet, throw it on the floor dries itself, and then it also dries all that stuff, so it's kind of a win.
One more thing that some of our clients have done, if you have the room, is add a utility closet to the mudroom.
Then you can put paper towels, toilet paper, cleaning stuff, whatever you want to put really, and then you can shut the door.
So as you're planning out your mudroom, just think about all the different things that you have to store and how can you maximize the space that you have.